I'm holding $200 in my hand right now. I expect it to be perfect. I expect it to be plated in gold. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would share my Boxycharm with you guys. I know this will be going up pretty late, but I got my Boxycharm pretty late. So what can you do? Better late than never, right? Alrighty, so let's just jump straight into the box. But before we begin, let me remind you that subscribing is 100% free, so please click that subscribe button and give this video a like while you're at it. Helps me out. All right, back to the box. So this month's theme is the Oasis. And the first item in the box is this eyeshadow palette. This is the Touch in Soul Fill Up Orange eyeshadow palette. And this is the look that I created with this palette. I, of course, wanted to see how this would work out. It has been a long time since I've worked with glitter. I would definitely suggest applying a glitter glue down first as a base and then going in with this glitter because it is extremely messy. I had to literally change shirts because of how much glitter had fallen down. These eyeshadows were not that bad. The definite showstopper in this palette is this glitter, but that seems to be really the only orange in this orange palette. You would expect more orange shades in an orange palette. This was a very meh palette. I seem to be getting a lot of meh palettes lately. These four seem to be pretty similar. Let me give you some swatches. Those are those four shades. And I also don't like the different sizes. I don't understand that very much. Overall, I was not very impressed by this palette, but I did like the look that I got. I still feel like you can get better eyeshadows for the same amount of money or even less. That's just my opinion. Also, it comes with this little plastic thing, which has all of the names of the eyeshadows. I wish they could just write the names like right below the eyeshadows, you know? That would have been great. Because once you lose this, you don't know the shade names. So not gonna lie, not very impressed with this eyeshadow palette. If I were given the choice to repurchase this, I would not. All right, the next item is another fail in the box. So this is the Purilisse Perfect Glow BB Cream with SPF 30. This is the shade Light Medium and it was too light for me. SPF, especially on tan skin tones, darker skin tones, it just shows up white. No matter how much you want it to blend in, you can blend, and it still has somewhat of a white cast, at least on my skin. And you could see that when I was trying this out, I had to go over this with some darker foundation and a bronzer to kind of tone it down. So it's on me, just not, it's kind of covered up with all these other products. It looks fine when you squeeze it out. Well, even then it looks pretty light. But once you start spreading it out, it just has this really, it just turns white, as you can see. So again, I mean, if you're really fair, then this might work for you. And this is light medium, so I don't even know if there's a color that would suit me because this is pretty light. It's just very difficult with SPFs and tan skin tones. I have yet to find an SPF that works with my skin tone. So I was excited for this. I don't wear BB creams at all, but I was excited for the SPF, but this turned out to be a fail, unfortunately. And this retails for $35, so I definitely would not repurchase this. It does say that it's oil-free and moisturizing. It didn't feel very oily to me. It did feel moisturizing, so yes, I agree on those 2 points. Natural looking coverage. There was nothing natural about that. But I just don't like the white cast. It's something that's really hard to escape with SPF. Overall, yes, I would pass on this. The next item in the box is by Artist Couture, and it is their Diamond Glow powder in Coco Bling. And I actually have 2 of their other Diamond Glow powders. These are intense. If you want a really intense glow, I would go for this. This is not for the faint of heart. If you're looking for that natural glow, please stay far away from this. If you have a lot of texture, again, be very careful when using this because this is like on steroids, highlighter on steroids. There's a little swatch. And this highlight is a little too light for my skin tone, but I tried to make it work, tried to blend it out, but you can still see it's like a white streak, which is not what you really want. You want it to blend in as seamlessly as possible, but this would make such a pretty eyeshadow, so that's what I am going to use it for. This does have specks of glitter, visible glitter. It doesn't give you like a nice glowy sheen, it gives you glitter with sheen. So again, if you want to avoid that, then I wouldn't suggest this, but if you want to use it as eyeshadow, it would look gorgeous. Or if you're going out to the club and really want, you know, to outdo the disco ball. Disco ball? Do they have disco balls at the clubs? I don't know. And on to the next item. These are the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes, and it says they're real, I swear. These are 100% silk lashes, and they have tapered ends to make them look more natural, and I love these lashes. And even the packaging, I mean, like, what? So pretty. The color, the glitter, of course, I love glitter. The lashes were really easy to put on, and I rarely ever wear lashes, and I love the look and the ease, and wow, I was really impressed with these, so I'm so glad that these worked out. And the final item in this month's box, oh boy. This is the QMS Medicosmetics Lip Line Corrector Lip Serum. I didn't even know this was a thing, a lip line corrector. So it says that it's formulated exclusively for the upper lip area, and then it targets fine lines and wrinkles, designed to hydrate and plump your lips for smoother, youthful appearance. So it didn't give any directions on where you apply it or how you apply it or anything like that. I did search for a few videos on how to use this. One of them had the lady applying this serum above the lip area, so like the mustache area. And then there were several others where the women would apply it directly on the lips. So I have no idea where you're supposed to apply this, and it doesn't say on the directions. Doesn't even have directions. But I had been applying it on the lips because that's what made most sense to me, because it did say that it would hydrate and plump your lips. And if I did have any extra, I would apply it on my smile lines to see if it did anything. The packaging is pretty cool. You twist it up and you pump, but when you try to pump it out, sometimes it'll slide back down. And especially for a lip product, I don't like that you have to pump it out because a lot comes out. And when you hear the price of this item, you won't want to waste a single drop. This retails for, are you ready for this? $200. $200. Damn! I'm holding $200 in my hand right now. I thought I had misread the price. I thought there was like a, you know, the decimal was in the wrong place or something, but no. This retails for $200. So for $200, I expect this to have absolutely no problems. I expect it to be perfect. I expect it to be plated in gold. I am glad that we got this in this month's box. I did use it for the past 2 or 3 days, and I did kind of feel my lips tighten a bit once I had it on for a little while. I would put it on right before bed, but I didn't see like a huge difference. I did notice just slight plumping of the lips, but it could just be me because I really want this to work. For 200 bucks, I mean, it better do something, right? Too soon to tell. If I do have any updates for this, I will definitely let you guys know, either in the description box or on my Instagram. Make sure you're following me there. You can pause this video and go follow, subscribe, click that notification bell, give it a thumbs up, just get it all over with. And then you can rejoin me. I'll wait. I'm serious. Go do it. All right, now that you're back, let's look at the grand total of this box. So the grand total for this month's box is $308.99, which is around 12 times more than what I spent for the box. So even though this box wasn't the best that I've ever gotten, for that value, I am still very, very impressed. Especially that they included something like this. I mean, I'm still in shock.
They saying Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like bogles, you can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. Up the ride like Somo, cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on. No, they don't know, or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic when you roll with us. And we won't live forever, but I will remember when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love. Then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer, when I met you in the summer, when I met you in the summertime with your fine ass, Merlot in that wine glass. She dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy, and she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible. And these other guys average, so they mad to know, cause I'm ill like a dragon roll. Got cover girls in my room, but they don't need no makeup though. They just tryna party, live too fast to take it slow. Got summer flings and these summer things, but we just making memories. Just promise you'll remember me in that time when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love. Then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer, whoa, the summertime, the summertime, yeah, the summer, yeah, the summertime, yeah, yeah. When I met you in the summer,
it all feel better. Maybe it's a cool joke on me. Whatever, whatever. Just means there's way more cake for me. Forever, forever. It's my party and I'm crying for one to, crying for one to, I'll cry until the candles burn down this place. I'll cry until my pity party's in flames. It's my party and I'm crying for one to, crying for one to, I'll cry until the candles burn down this place. I'll cry until my pity party's in flames.
Alright guys, so that's it for this month's Boxycharm unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys got in this month's box. Did you love it? Did you hate it? Let me know down below. Other than that, please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!